Ina and we're here now in Domescape in Nasugbu, Batangas for the weekend.
Sit.
Sit! 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 Watch! And then magba-backward siya and then he'll fall. Make sure you can go back.
Break my mouth.
We will be going glamping in this geodesic dome. It's currently raining and thanks to the plants and trees that are surrounding us, we feel like we are in a rainforest. This is where we will be staying for the night. Here is our natural spring/pool. And this is the geodesic dome. How does it feel?
It's cold.
Whoa, this is the Hugo! Come on, Hugo! Hugo! Time for a swim!
Nahulog siya. Did you fall?
No! This is our dinner. They don't have a restaurant here or provide your food, but they do have a kitchen, so we cooked our own food. So there's a bonfire that they provide, but you have to light it on your own. There.
There na.
Let's put flashlight. Woo!
Got it.
Good morning! We're just about to have breakfast composed of egg, corned beef, garlic rice, and hot cocoa.
She's gonna steal me on this.
Hey. We're about to leave. We're just packing and fixing stuff, and we really enjoyed our stay here at Domescape. Here are some tips you should consider if you visit this place. First, you should bring insect repellent because there are a lot of giant mosquitoes here. There are no restaurants in the area, but each dome has its own kitchen, so you could bring your own food and cook it there. There is also a natural private swimming pool in each dome, which they sanitize and clean regularly. For some reason, there are no mirrors here. Glamping is a really fun and enjoyable experience, and I hope you can visit Domescape.